Nieces, nephews, fellow aunties, welcome back to Unboxmas. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's your local internet auntie Ren, here again with another video. I should just start calling this Unboxmas because I feel like we've moved away from Unboxmas. I haven't had a brown box unboxing in a little bit. Maybe I can get one. I'll try to squeeze one in the next couple of days, see what comes in. But I feel like some of these pieces are not, they're not, I mean, it's unboxings because it's a box technically, but it's not the brown box life. Hashtag brown box life, it's not that. So anyway, I'm rambling. Hello darlings, how are you? If you're new here, settle in. My name's Auntie Ren. We do unboxings. That's what we're doing all the way till the 25th. So if you like unboxings, welcome. If you are returning, hi darlings, how are you? Make sure you sound off in the comments, say hello so I can respond back. I try to respond to everyone. I don't always get to it the same day, but I'll get to it. I try to respond to everyone because it just makes me anxious to see all the comments there. And if you've taken the time to comment on my video, I try to make the time to comment back and say hello. All right, so if you saw the title, it's another Chanel unboxing. Well, I got an essay now, so I have no home training. Like, it's just on and popping. So it is another, do we do a thumbnail? I can't do a thumbnail with this thing, it's too massive. Thumbnail. Anyway, so this is another unboxing from Chanel. This one was purchased in store with my new SA. What? Can we get applause for this SA? Okay, so this was purchased with my new SA in store. Actually, technically I purchased it in store, but I didn't go to the store to get it, if that makes sense. So I have yet to meet my SA, so I'm scared once I meet her, then the whole thing will go to you know what, and then we won't be friends anymore. So I like the anonymity, so like she doesn't see me, but you know, it's all good, you know, we just text and talk on the phone, because like every time I've had an in-person experience, it hasn't been good. So if we never meet, it's like am I like catfishing her or something? We're like online dating, so I don't want to meet her in person because I feel like it will sour the whole thing. But anyway, so here we go. Okay, the rambling, I know. And the whole premise of Unboxmas, well, at the top of Unboxmas, we were talking about, well, I was saying, gonna keep the videos short, gonna keep them, you know, boom, like trying to do it. Actually, my goal time was 10 minutes. Yeah. But it's a goal for a reason, right? It's something that you're like working towards. It's not something you actually have to always achieve, you know? So anyway, let's get to it. So bag, thank you. Oh, I just noticed that the ribbon was ripped. Oh, that's no good. Oh. Well, the ribbon has a little bit of a slice there. Someone got a little scissor happy with the ribbon. Does my new SA have aggression? Anyway, all right, so the box. So the last unboxing we did was a lot smaller. So this one is bigger. So we're going to give it a go here. So we know now. And if you haven't seen that video, I'll link it up in the iCards, or I'll link the playlist. I started an Unboxmas playlist, so that way it's easy to find all the Unboxmas videos if you just want to watch unboxings and just want to, you know, be a part of that and get caught up. I'll have that I'll have it linked in the iCard, so you can go straight to that. So, but we know now that this is a sticker and it can come off. Oh, so I said to stick it on the bag last time. Actually, I believe they stick it on the box. The professional unboxers, the Chanel gurus, they stick it on the box. Okay, whatever. We're here for it. I'm here for all the things. So just untying the ribbon. It's like a striptease or something. So it's a magnetic, magnetic box. I had some moisturizer on my hands, guys, so I made fingerprints on the box. Oh, killing it. I'm killing it with this unboxing. Yeah, I made fingerprints on the box. Sorry. All right, so magnetic box. Here we go. Oh, ooh. Oh, okay. All right, so what is this? Receipt. Well, we knew that. All right, so this is just the receipt and saying, you know, all the things that we spent, and it's nothing. It's just in a white envelope. Sorry. All right, are you going to open properly, or do we need to? Is there something else in there? No. All right, we're good. Okay, ready? Ready, steady. Nothing, it's just white paper. Okay. Oh, but the paper says Chanel. So the last unboxing that we did was the earrings, and the earrings had a cloth wrapping around it, and that cloth said Chanel. So this is paper. Oh my god. What do you mean, what is it? What is it? Oh, you haven't seen this one? The husband in the background. Can you see it? You don't see anything. Hush. All right, so there's nothing else in here. It's just an empty box. A little bit more delicate with that box. Just don't throw it. The brown boxes we just throw on the ground. The black boxes we place. We place on the ground. All right, can you see it? Oh my gosh, sick. This is sick. Stop it. All right, wait, let me give you proper names for things, because I don't even know. I don't know what these are called. All right, these are, oh no, I don't know what they're called. All right, I believe, I want to say, and I'll try to find them on the website if they're still there, or link it to, if I can find it, like at Neiman's or something, or someplace else. But these are the Shearling earmuffs, the Chanel Shearling earmuffs. And they have CCs on them, and they're two-toned. So one side is white and one side is black. Oh my gosh, I am dying right now. Are you dying? Oh. Are you serious? Wait, what side is that? Okay, that was the black side, and then I will do the cream side. It's like, it's not white, it's like an off-white. Get your life. What? Music's in my head. I feel like a DJ. Sick. So, you know, Auntie Ren loves her wigs. We love to do the different styles and so on. So I'm not like a huge hat person. I like hats, but I'm just not really like, when it's cold out, gonna go put on a beanie and run out. That's not really my jam. I'm definitely an earmuff girl. So you can see my hair, like, you know, I don't want to mush down my hair. I don't want to mess up my hair. I want my hair to be, you know, getting all the attention it deserves. So this is giving me all the vibes. Oh, get into it. Guys, oh my gosh, I'm obsessed. Oh my gosh, are you dying? Are you dying? I'm dying right now. Oh my god, I love these. So when I called customer service, they told me that these were like one of the last ones. You know, they always say that. That's how they get you though, right? They're like, it's the last one in the whole country, or the last one in the stores. So when I called customer service, they were like, yeah, this is it. Like, it's only at this particular location. I believe I got this from, I want to say it was Saks, the Chanel in Saks or Fifth Avenue here in the city. So it's like, you know, it's always the last one. It's always the last one. But obsessed. I'm like, I think this is so chic. I think they're so cool. They're super classic. I can wear this like forever. I just recently ordered a beautiful fur coat that is black, and I think will look so amazing with these earmuffs. Can't wait to wear them and show them to you lot and just have a whole like winter wonderland moment. I was going to get, they did have a scarf to match it, but with the fur coat that I want to wear this with and the scarf, I would be like, you know, you would only see like, you know, my forehead. So I'm like, I don't think I was going to get this scarf, but perhaps get a scarf in like a pop of color maybe, or like I don't know, because you can't do like another logo with this, right? Because if it being Chanel, so you don't want to do another logo because that would just like kind of clash. No, I don't know, do we mix logos that close? So like if I had the Chanel earmuffs with like a Louis Vuitton Logomania scarf, That would be too much, right? Too many logos. I know. Or is it never too much? Like, there's never enough logos. We can never do too many. I don't know. We'll see. But I do want to get maybe, because everything will be black or black and white, then maybe get a little pop of color for my scarf. But yeah, this is like my winter flex when I'm out there, not running around with the kiddies, you know, but like, well, maybe when we go to the drop off with the Chanel earmuffs. Too much? Never too much. It's never enough. But most times this would be like, you know, if I'm going out, which I don't really go, but if I go anywhere or like socializing or what have you, then you have your Chanel earmuffs. I think this is such a flex. I'm obsessed. This is it for today. I know it's like, oh gosh, I didn't even do today's Friday. So today's Friday, December 10th. So this is a good way to end the Friday, start off the weekend, a little weekend vibes. If this is something that you want to get for a gift for somebody, like I'll link all the information in the description box as far as like cost. And like I said, if I can find the item on the website, I'll put like images up on like a cutaway on the screen, or I'll put the information in the description box in case you want to, if you were inspired to maybe get this for a gift for some, you know, fabulous person in your life. So feel free to do that. And you're welcome. And that's pretty much it for me. Quick, short, sweet. Well, I don't know how short. I'll see once I see the time how short it really was, but hopefully it wasn't so bad for you. Hope you enjoy your Friday. Have a fantastic weekend. I'll see you tomorrow. Nieces, nephews, fellow aunties, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe and hit that notification bell. Talk to you soon.